Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is another red candle and average yung volume. Silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So kung makikita natin yesterday, nagkaroon tayo ng another rejection sa trendline resistance natin that could lead to continuation ng downtrend momentum. So currently, nagbabasag si BTC ng support area natin with volume. Nagkakaroon pa rin tayo ng retest and another rejection after niyang mag-approach ng trendline support natin dito, and currently ginagawa niyang resistance. Kung titingnan natin sa big picture, kung babakatin natin yung possible retracement, kung hanggang saan yung magiging untugan ng downtrend momentum, from swing low to swing high, meron tayong 0.618 here. So if babasagin ni BTC itong area na to, possible mag-continue pa yung downtrend momentum. But the moment naman nabasagin ni BTC yung trendline resistance natin, magkaroon tayo ng sign of weakness sa seller's momentum. But currently, sa pinapakita ni BTC, we are still on a downtrend momentum.